Hey guys, today I want to talk about this app right here called Hollywood Story. I want to show you an outfit I found. So we are traveling to Malibu and we are going to check out the beach couture shop. And it's this outfit right here. It's a hot pink, vibrant two-piece outfit. It is an arena item. So you have the themes of vibrant and extra to gain some more points whenever you are doing fashion duels. This one is the sunshine gown, and the themes for it are chic and party. Again, you can get these arena items and they can kind of help you advance and gain more points whenever you are dueling against other fashionistas on this app. And this one's also really pretty, a blush maxi dress. And another little tip right here, if you play this game, if you click around on all of the items in each store, eventually most of the items that you have clicked on go on sale. So kind of wait for that. So I'm just showing you a few new dresses that I have gotten recently. I won this one. I also won this one. Super, super pretty. I really love the fashion and the details that they have here. Okay, yeah, I just leveled up. I got an invitee. My friend Alexis has joined, and so has my friend Kamisha. So here, story completed, and I gained 3 more diamonds because of that. Now I'm just showing you what I can redeem for having one invitee, and that is this blue and white bag right here. And I'm also going to send my friend a gift for joining me in this wonderful game. Right now I'm working on a movie, and so I'm just gonna play around and try to level up or complete the scene. I'm trying to get to the A list, and I think I only need like 50,000 more fans. So I'm very, very close. I think I'm at 450, something like that. So I should be getting that tonight, hopefully. Okay, so we recorded that scene and we will move on to the second scene. So it says, come on in. We've come to the second scene. Feeling eager? Eager as ever. Alright then, here things get complicated. More drama, more action. Oh yeah. While Isabel was shooting in a desert, a voodoo witch came to your camp. She bewitched Willie and he loves you no more. You find out on the internet there's an old wise lady in England who can help you cook potion that will make Willie yours again. Go on to the scene, check those bags for herbs, and stir the cauldron. Okay, so you don't actually have to stir the cauldron. If you click on the blue circle, you have to use diamonds, and that basically completes the entire scene without having to use energy. But I am trying to keep my diamonds for some more shopping, so I'm going to be using my energy. Okay guys, I've waited about 15 minutes, and as you can see, the red sale sign above Beach Couture, the items are hopefully now on sale. So let's go check. Okay, it looks like most of the items I clicked on are on sale. I'm definitely getting this vibrant two-piece set, and I'm probably going to get a lot more. This is a much better price for me. That way I can buy more items and also use them in the duels like I mentioned earlier. So I'm super, super excited about this sale, and I hope that this little tip helps you guys out in getting some items that you've been waiting on and really wanting. And whenever you go shopping, you can gain fans. So I gained 1,480 fans based off of those purchases. So that's awesome because I'm needing those fans to level up to the A list. And now I'm just going to go and change my outfit into that beautiful hot pink two-piece set. This outfit definitely reminds me of a mermaid, and that's initially why I wanted to get it. I kind of gravitated towards the style of it and also the hot pink color, and just thought it was so flattering and such a beautiful design on this app. Again, all of the fashion within this game is just stunning, and there's so much to choose from and constantly new items being uploaded. So there's so much to see, so much to get, and I can't wait to get more. Okay, now we're going to travel to the casino and just do one of the games in the slot machine. I'm just doing the one that you pay for cash right now, the 7,500, and we won some star points. Thanks guys, I'll see you later.